Welcome to the Oracle of Mask. Today I'll show you how I made this Shaolin Lion Mask for my friend's birthday, so have fun. First of all, I printed out the design. And here on Photoshop I arranged it so that I can make a perfect template. And then I printed everything out. To enforce the mask, I took another mask and taped it behind the first one. And this is the clay that I'm gonna use. Then I started to cut out the templates, created a layer of evenly model clay, put over the template and cut it out. Then I took away the rest model clay and glued the clay parts onto the mask. And for the details I use this screwdriver. So it doesn't look so bad. And these are all just the first layers. In total it would be 2 layers of clay. And then I just repeated all the steps. And for making the mask more evenly, I used water. And this is the mask on the next day. It had some cracks, so I just used more model clay to heal it. And lastly, I covered the mask with some acrylic spray. I'm really happy with this model, and I hope we can use it for vacuum form the mask. And here you can see how I made the beard and the ears of the lion. As you can see, I already marked the second layer of details. Then I cut everything out, pasted it onto EVA foam sheets, and cut everything out. As you can see, I use these rest sheets of EVA foam. And for the first layer, I just drew around the model and cut it out a big part. For this I'm going to use this 1 cm thick EVA foam. Then I drew all the details onto the background. And everything would be ready for vacuum form. For preparing the mask, we have to draw some holes into it. And for this I use this boss machine. This is how the mask looks now. Like a Swiss cheese. So, now I prepared everything for vacuum forming the mask. And as test model I took this 1 cm thick EVA foam sheet. Then I put the EVA foam into the oven for 55 seconds on 200 degrees. And here we go. Yeah, after 2 or 3 attempts I found out that this was the wrong way. And after all this chaos I was sick of it. And thought, okay, let's restart it. So, and here I did everything again, as the same on the clay model. I pasted everything on the EVA foam, cut it out, and took this contact glue for gluing everything together. For the nose I had to make an extra model. And here you can see how I prepared the ears and the beard. So, doesn't look so bad. And as next, I would take the Dremel and Dremel all the edges away. And with the scissors, I cut everything out that wasn't took away by the Dremel. And for finishing it, I went over with the soldering iron tool. I also went over with the Dremel on the mask, and it was ready to start with the second layer of details. Yeah, now it really starts to shine. For the second layer, I just took 2mm EVA foam sheet. And then I also gave it the teeth. For the big teeth I had to make extra models, which you can see here. I don't know, but I love to make teeth. Then almost everything was ready. And I started to cover everything with glue. Put it together and voila. Yeah man, it looks amazing. Then I filled out all the holes and mistakes with them. Now I just have to Dremel the long teeth, and with this Uhu PVC glue I glue everything together. Yeah, now it really has character. And to be honest, I already like the colors. But now, on to the priming. For priming it this time I went with a special acrylic spray can priming. And I mean man, look at it. It looks so awesome. This is my absolutely favorite step on the whole process. As it is a gift for one of my best friends, I asked him of course what kind of colors he would like or if he has a wish. And as you can see, I used a sponge and covered it first with 1 or 2 layers of red color. And it already looked nice. And I thought some gold color would look really nice on it. But somehow it was too strong in the eyes. But the effect of the gold was really strong. So I went over again with a layer of black color and with a bit of white color on the golden parts. And here we have it. Our first Shaolin Lion Mask. It looks fucking awesome. Sorry. It just looks amazing. And I'm really happy with the result. It was a bit of a trouble to get there, as I couldn't use the first model I made out of clay. But it was really a nice experience and I really did learn a lot here. So I hope you too had a fun time watching this episode. Till the next time, Mask signing out.